don't know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked. I wanna be a baby.
Child. Anyway, so.
Go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Patricia Alexia here, and if you haven't seen my face already, hi! So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this really cute 90s inspired side swoop bang bumped ends style, and I think it is top tier. I think it is so cute to elevate your regular, you know, bobs, so you don't like look like that girl from The Incredibles or look like Dora. This is an upgraded Dora. This is Dora but like cute, you know what I mean? So this video isn't focusing on like me installing the wig or anything at all. This is mostly about me styling this cute little bob moment, period. So if you want to know how to get this super cute 90s inspired bob style, just keep on watching, baby girl, period. So I woke up a little earlier because, you know, school is happening but it's virtual, so I woke up earlier and now I'm just going to install this wig and I'm gonna make you guys watch, and then we'll get into the like the nitty-gritty important parts, so let's keep on watching. So I already prepped the wig and everything, did the edges, flattened it. I just need to style it, so I'm gonna do the bald cap method and all that stuff, and I'll be right back. So she's installed. I have to go a little quickly because school's about to start. I'm gonna make this a side part because the first step to make that, you know, that swoop is the side part. And I'm not doing edges right now because this specific hairstyle that I'm doing, sometimes the edges can get like, you know, covered by the actual bangs. So I'm gonna do the edges after so I know where to put them. I think this is cute. I don't know. Anytime I wear my bob like this, just like plain nothing, it just gives me auntie vibes and I don't like it. So now I'm just gonna mousse it down. But for now, I'm going to take a comb and I'm just going to section off the part that I want to be swooped. So just a small section. Don't take too much hair because it's not going to lay flat if you take too much. Alright, I got it right here. So what you're going to need, Eco Styler, got to be good, free spray, or you can use any free spray you want, bobby pins, and a toothbrush just to slick it down, or to make it easier to slick down. Take the hair and put it behind my ear. That's the first step. And then you could start molding and shaping and taking out more hair or putting in more hair as you please. So you see that this part's a little lumpy, so I'm gonna just take some hair out. So I think I got the overall like swoop that I want. So now I'm gonna go in with some got to be gel. So I'm just taking some of that on my hand. And don't be shy now because you really want this to be slicked down, and you really want to make sure put it on the ends because the hairs tend to like raise a little. I'm gonna get my toothbrush. Does anybody else use like actual mouth toothbrushes? I haven't gone to the hair store and actually picked up a proper edge brush. Now I'm gonna take bobby pins. But I recommend, if you don't want anything to move, just keep it in place. You gotta make sure your sideburns are glued down good as well, because if they're not, what is the bobby pin going to hold on to exactly? What exactly? This is like a slick stick. It's like a wax stick, and this is really good for flattening down your hair. So I'm just applying that everywhere. It hit that bee with a flat comb. This is where the got-to-be glue comes in handy, because this is where we're going to make this part shiny and flat and just stick down. School's about to start in literally 5 minutes. But now it's time to actually flatten and style the hair. I don't like this comb. Alrighty, we support BLM in here. We're using black, but we're going to bump the end. So we're just gonna, and then swoop in, hold it a little bit, and then boom. Oof, this is like giving me that like character from The Incredibles. Is her name Edna or something? Okay, now we're gonna lock these curls in with some got-to-be. Okay, lastly, I'm gonna put some concealer on my part. Alright, I just need to like beat my face because I don't know, wigs don't look good on me like when I'm natural. So be right back, give me a second. Did y'all hear that new SZA? Okay, so I beat my face and I look so different, right? Get into it. I tried to do like a 90s vibe type of like the smoky eyes and then like the, I don't know. How do y'all feel about the look? I think she's cute. Basically, this is the finished style, and I just think this is the perfect way to, like, you know, elevates a stiff bob, you know what I mean? Like, it's still stiff, but like, it's stiff, but like, cute. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please subscribe down below. The button's right there. The button's free. Just click it. Come on, like why wouldn't you? If you guys want more hair videos or wig videos, just let me know down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Peace and love. Bye guys. The kids are here, period. Okay, baby. No touching the camera. This is my beautiful baby boy. This is my son. Oh, here goes my second child. Ah, she's a queen, like her mother. Smile for the camera. Bye, guys.